Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today I'll be showing you how to uninstall the Unreal Engine from your Epic Games launcher. So yeah, guys, make sure you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is make sure you have opened up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games, guys, and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have on your Epic Games account and all the games that you can buy on the store. So guys, the first thing you want to do if you want to uninstall Unreal Engine, it's very easy, and the first thing you want to do is look here at the left side of the screen where you can see multiple options such as Store, Library, and Unreal Engine. What you want to do, guys, is go ahead and click this third option right here called Unreal Engine. Clicking on Unreal Engine, guys, now this will bring you to this page right here where if you have installed Unreal Engine, it will show up right here and you will have the launch button. As you can see currently, guys, I did not have it installed all the way. I just did it to show you how to uninstall it. So guys, as you can see, when you find this icon right here in the upper left corner, this is the engine, and don't click on the launch button, guys. What you want to do to uninstall it is just click on this X button in the upper left corner. Click on this, guys, will give you a new prompt that you're sure that you want to uninstall this engine and that you want to delete it from your Epic Games launcher. Click on it, guys. You can see, are you sure you want to uninstall? Just click yes, guys. If you're sure that you want to do it, click on the orange uninstall button, and as you can see now, guys, we are waiting for it to uninstall. And after it is finished, it will be successfully removed from your computer and from your Epic Games launcher, guys. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.